VA virtual care tools offer veterans, their families and caregivers, and VA staff immense benefits, including convenient access to care, reduced trips to VA facilities, increased communication, and access to health information and care teams. VA's Office of Connected Care is improving its virtual care tools constantly. These tools include apps, telehealth, and My Healthy Vet, VA's online patient portal. For veterans and VA staff members looking to get started with virtual care tools or maximize their use, the Virtual Health Resource Center at their VA Medical Center can help. The Virtual Health Resource Center is an in-person and virtual resource for veterans and VA staff to learn about virtual care tools, get help setting up the tools, troubleshoot technology issues, and find VA technologies to best meet their specific needs and interests. Veterans interested in learning about the available virtual care options can browse the Virtual Health Resource Center's materials and speak with a health technology expert about what's right for them and their health needs. For VA staff, the Virtual Health Resource Center provides support and one-on-one consultations for integrating virtual care tools into daily workflow or clinical practice. The on-site experts also hold regular training sessions for staff so they can be up to date on the tools with the greatest potential benefit to veterans. The Virtual Health Resource Center's on-site experts are trained to provide veterans and VA staff with consultations that include hands-on support, tips and tricks, training, and ongoing education for VA virtual care tools. For example, our experts can help set up and show you how to use VA-issued connected devices such as a smartphone or iPad. Our experts can also assist veterans and VA staff with troubleshooting issues such as using secure messaging in My Healthy Vet or using the VA Video Connect app for video appointments. Our experts can provide support to veterans who need help upgrading to a My Healthy Vet premium account. They can also help VA staff and veterans use VA apps and services such as Annie, My VA Images, and RX Refill. By providing these services, Virtual Health Resource Centers help veterans, their families, and caregivers, and VA staff maximize the many benefits of virtual care tools to help deliver more personalized, convenient care.
You know, the Virtual Health Resource Center is really a great asset for both veterans and for VA staff. As a clinical social worker, I often get questions from veterans who need help setting up or even using some of the virtual care tools like VA Video Connect. And I'm able to point them to the Virtual Resource Center whenever I have questions that I'm not able to answer. They have experts who can provide that one-on-one technical support to help them get the most out of their sessions.
Virtual Health Resource Centers are open for in-person, phone, and video consultations. For more information about the Virtual Health Resource Centers, visit connectedcare.va.gov/VHRC.